What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own. I can't wait to see what you'll build today. Where to now? Right leads to... Left leads to... McCall's farm is coming up. Right leads to... McCall's farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back. Good job! We all love your train set! Pick any toy you'd like. Which toy will you choose now? It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. That's perfect. Just slice or tap it to open. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Great! Thanks for helping out. Choose a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Left lead. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. Well done! Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Good job!